Hi guys, welcome back again to another video. My name is Lynn and you are welcome to Cooking with Efia. If you are new here, kindly do subscribe, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Today I'm preparing this special and very easy fried rice recipe for my guests as part of my birthday celebration. So I prepared this rice for 20 guests. If you are thinking of making a mini party, then this recipe is for you. So let's get started. So to begin with this recipe, I'll begin by cooking my rice. So I have a big pot right here which I've added in my water. I'll go in with my oil and my rice. Don't worry, I'll list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out, okay? And so I also added in my salt to taste, stir everything together, cover it and allow it to cook very well. And I cook the rice in batches, so this is about 10 cups of rice if you are using the local cup in Ghana, but if you are using measuring cups, it's about 20 cups, okay, and even more. So kindly take note of that, okay? So now our rice is all ready and it came out in single grain, so we're going to allow this rice to cool down completely. Fam, kindly take note of this because party fried rice, you need to cook it ahead of time for it to cool down completely before you can go ahead and fry it, because we don't want the rice to get spoiled or to get any slimy texture in it, because we really want to enjoy this party very well. So next to a heating pot, I'll go in with my oil. I'll add in some canned beef. You can also add in any meat of your choice, okay? Now let's saute this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we can go ahead and add in our carrots. So you can cut the carrot in any shapes or any sizes that you prefer, but it's advisable for you to cut them into small sizes because not everyone wants crunchy vegetables. So I also added in my green pepper and some scallions. Allow it to saute for about 1 minute and go ahead and add in some extra tuna flakes. If you really want sweet things, then why not go ahead and add in anything sweet that will make your fried rice taste better or taste delicious, okay? Next, I'll go in with some salt to taste, and be mindful of the salt because I use some tuna flakes and also some canned beef which has extra salt in it, okay? So I went in with my leftover onions which I didn't know what to use it for. So next I'll go in with my rice. It's all done, so all that is left is for us to add in our rice, and this is about 8 cups of cooked rice, okay? And for the rice that I use CIS Gold Rice, so kindly note that. You can as well use any perfume rice of your choice. And to seasoning this fried rice, I'll go in with some dark soya sauce. You can as well use any brand of your choice. And I'll also go in with some chicken seasoning. I love fried rice with chicken seasoning, so if you don't want chicken seasoning, why not go ahead and use any seasoning of your choice. I added in about half tablespoon of curry powder. This is totally optional, okay? I just wanted to have that aroma in it. Now I will stir everything together until I reach the perfect color, just like this. This is looking so perfect and very easy. Now let me know your thoughts in the comment section, what you think about this party fried rice recipe. It came out so nice, very delicious, and I hope you're going to try. So we enjoyed this fried rice with some chicken and also some salad, alongside with some black chili sauce and some green chili sauce. And my guest was so much in love with this recipe. Kindly try this and thank me later. Alright, so now let me share with you these great 3 tips on how you can preserve your fried rice without going bad quickly, okay? So the first tip I'm going to give you is that don't overcook your rice, or don't let your rice become too soft before you start with the frying process, because your fried rice will not come out very good and you end up having some moist in it, and we don't want that, okay? The second tip I'm going to share with you is that do not overcrowd your pot. Fried rice is always advisable for you to to fry it in batches. So that's why I did this in batches, to avoid any rice getting spoiled. Okay, and the third trick I'll be sharing with you is that do not keep your rice in an airtight container when the rice is still hot, and also make sure not to use a lot of oil whilst frying your fried rice. I hope these great tips will help your fried rice keep long for a longer period of time. Thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching.